back children to lesson number 3, playing with numbers. Today we will start with exercise 3.4. So children, we have already learned about common factors. Common factors are those numbers, or we can say the factors which are shared by two numbers. So the first question is, find the common factors of 20 and 28. So here you can see that when we are calculating or we are finding out the factors of 20 and 28, you can see the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So here we have to find out the common factors. That means which are the same factors of 20 and 28. So the common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. Now move on to next question. Find the factors of 15 and 25. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, and the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So in both the numbers 15 and 25, the common factors or the same factors shared by 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Now the next one, factors of 35 and 50. Common factors of 35 and 50. Here you can see the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35, and the factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So the common factors of 35 and 50 are 1 and 5. Now the factors of 56 and 120. See, there is a big difference between the numbers 56 and 120. So the factors of 56 you can see 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. And the factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. As 120 is greater than 56, it is having so many factors. So the common factors of 56 and 120 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now move on to next question. Question number 2. Find the factors of. Children, you have to find out common factors of 4, 8 and 12 here. So we will start with the first one, that is 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Then factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. And factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So the common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. The common factors are 1, 2 and 4 of 4, 8 and 12. Now children, again we have to find out common factors of three numbers, that is 5, 15 and 25. So the common factors of 5 are only 2, that is 1 and 5, because it is a prime number. Then the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, and the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So the common factors of 5, 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Now question number 3 is, find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. So children, first we will find out the multiples of 6, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72. And the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. So here children, we have to find out first 3 common multiples. That means the multiples which are common between 6 and 8. And that too children, first 3 common multiples. So first 3 common multiples you can see that of 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and 72. Now move on to next question. We have to find out first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18. So here children, first we will find out the multiples of 12, that is the multiples are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. And multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and 180. So the three common multiples, the first three common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and 108. Now next question, question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Children, in this slide you can see multiples of 3 which are less than 100. I have listed out all the multiples of 3 which are less than 100. And here you can see the multiples of 4 which are less than 100. So now children, the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Now children, the next question is which of the following numbers are co-prime numbers? Children, let's revise what are co-prime numbers. Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. So here we start. The first one is 18 and 35. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. So here you can see that only one is a common factor, and that is why 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. The next one is 15 and 37. You can see here that the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, and the factors of 37 are 1 and 37. That is just two factors of 37 because 37 itself is a prime number. So as there is only one factor common in both the numbers, that is 15 and 37, 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers. Children, now the next pair is 30 and 415. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30, and the factors of 415 are 1, 5, 83 and 415, that is number itself. So the common factors of 30 and 415 are 1 and 5. That means other than 1 it is having one more factor, that is 5. So children, 30 and 415 are not co-prime numbers. Children, 17 and 68, you can see here that 17 has only two factors, that is 1 and 17, because 17 is a prime number, and the factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. But 68 has more than two factors because it is a composite numbers. So the common factors of 17 and 68 are 1 and 17. So these numbers, that is 70 and 68, are not co-prime numbers. Children, now 81 and 16. So the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81, and the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So since the common factor is 1 only, these numbers, that is 81 and 16, are co-prime numbers. Children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video with some more exercise and questions. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.